Hello everybody, my name is Swift and it's today's a very special day because we're on Honk SMP Season 2. And we've been on here for like 2 minutes now, and I have some stone tools, but like literally nothing else. This is a 1.17, I missed the water, survival world. And today we're here with Sea Miner and Mangro.
Hello. Howdy.
I got some golden carrots.
What? Already? Oh, you found a ruby bar, so.
Yeah.
I found spruce.
I have some armor too. None of it was,
Found some more coal. That's dumb.
Alright, we can go to the nether quickly. Okay,
That might not be smart. No, that would not be smart.
We can set up a nether portal quickly. And I'm just kind of vibing at half a heart, so I'm gonna go slap some sheep. Sheep slap. Sheep shot. Sleep.
I already have enough for one white bed. Okay, I have...
We have not installed data packs on this thing yet, so...
Data packs meaning like multiplayer, like one player sleep, not like anything crazy.
Player heads.
Yeah, nothing that changes the game so much. Ruins the game.
Yeah. You know, okay, we're down in the pit. Alright, we have coal.
Wait, did you find a little pit?
Yeah, I have a cave.
Oh.
So yeah, I'm gonna record episodes on this.
I almost have a stack of coal. I have none, but I have 8 iron. I have 11 raw iron. Well, that's the same as iron.
Nothing else.
Oh wait, really? You had the. Oh, I just found some. Well, there's the plains.
Wait, is 8 raw iron? How do you make iron out of raw?
I think it's the exact same as just iron ore, dude.
Okay.
It's just different form.
Okay, we have raw iron, and now it works with fortune.
Ouch. Is it like the play just to rush fortune now?
Yeah, I would think so.
See,
now iron farms are gonna be a lot less efficient because.
Hell yeah, but also, like, it saves you from mining, so.
Yeah. Boom.
Okay, I need to make a furnace.
If you guys saw my explaining video on what happened with the other SMP, you would know that I didn't think we need to record on it, so. Yes, this is season 2 of it. Season 1 of being recorded. We haven't found any copper yet.
I did.
Oh.
I found 18.
I haven't found any copper. Abandoned mineshaft, deep slow, cool
deep
creeper.
Slate, you mean?
Creeper. Copper! That's an abandoned mineshaft. Did you know they added chains to abandoned mineshaft?
No, it's not cool. Chains are silly.
I didn't know that either.
good. I'm coming up once my stuff's finished.
It's okay. No, never mind. I'm not dead. I'm not dead. I'm not dead.
Permission denied.
That was so lucky how there's only a 1 vein of gravel.
Oh, so you're gonna suffocate?
Yeah, I only had to break 1 block. Okay, I'm back in the birch forest.
Oh, I found a ton of sheep. Nice.
I need a ton of
shear them if you have iron. You get more wool. You get more wool. Killing them, you can only get like 1, but shearing them, you can get up to 3, I think.
Yeah, but I need food.
I have food. I'll kill the gray one. Need 1 more.
I need...
Still want 1.5 hearts, just
yeah, I was
FYI.
about to ask.
Because you can't regen when you're hungry, and I'm 5 hunger bars down. Oh, I just got 3.
I came up
5.5.
Hey, see mine.
Oh, I got 3 again. Yeah.
Can you see the ruined portal?
I just got... No, I have no idea where it is, doofus.
Damn. Can you see some mountains?
No. Like, they're across the ocean. That counts as seeing them.
No. What's your coordinates?
1 second, I'm shearing sheep. I'm getting 3 every single time.
Mine's 47, 114.
I found my own portal.
Oh. Where?
Incoming. Elbow. Coming back up. I bet I'm gonna starve by the time I get back up. I have food.
I'm standing on top of a tree next to the ruined portal.
I think I found another room. Yeah, I found another room portal.
Dang it.
I found glittering. Oh, I found a clock.
What's your
I got, ooh, sick. I got
what's your cords?
Sick armor now.
What's your cords?
Wait, hold on. Wait, do you need an iron pick? Yes.
Mango, I found your valley surrounded in mountains, sort of.
I found a swamp. I had a valley?
That's what you wanted for, your base.
Yeah, but surrounded in, like, dark oak. Well, kind of. Just, like, a valley in mountains. It's, like, mountains all around it.
Yeah, it's pretty close. It's like a U-shape.
Sheep grow back their wool so fast now. Not always. They're just... I sheared like 5 sheep and instantly they're back. There's grass nearby and they're hungry. God, you're back too.
Okay. Oh my god, this is such a cool spot. I want to build base here. I'm
on 4 hunger hearts.
Can everyone try and go to
-7
to 11?
-7 to 11. That's a very specific number. Wonder where
-7
is.
-7z. No, -7x to 11z.
So I have
-7x to 11z.
Wait, where? Just type it in chat. Oh, I have to go.
What is it?
Oh my god, if you want a bed, then come, because I'm going.
Yeah. I say we should set up camp here, and...
Alright. What was the coordinate?
I put them in chat.
Oh, I'm literally right next to you. Wait, what? Oh yeah, I'm right here. I'm here and you're not here. You lied.
Share your screen.
Where is it? Portal?
It's it's like in a valley with mountains in a U shape around it. -7 to 11.
Oh, I'm an idiot. I was doing -211. When it's positive.
Yeah.
There's the ravine.
Where?
Minor. What? Oh, never mind. That's just flowers. I saw your yellow. But I'm wearing gold armor. Holy hi! I almost jumped in.
Here, come. Land.
I don't want to go in though.
Okay, don't land then.
Then it's gonna be hard to get out.
Oh yeah, true. How do I get out? Speaking of.
Yeah, that's your problem. Okay. Now I have to go and set up my
Do
campus.
you like this place? I kind of like it.
I see the portal. I don't love it.
Starting area at least.
Yeah. There's a ravine. Top of the mountain. See what's up. Where are you?
The mountain looks betterly generated then.
Well, it's not.
I need foods.
Oh, I see Mango. How have I already... Mango, come here.
I lose hunger so goddamn hard. I had
Mango,
2 pieces of meat.
Wait, can you cook it, Swifty?
I had 2 pieces of steak.
Sure.
I ate both of them. Was on full hunger, and now I'm on 4 hunger again.
Here.
This is like some intense normal mode.
We should switch it to hard mode.
Wait a sec. Oh my god, sheep have... These sheep are J-Schlatt.
What do you mean?
They have his horns.
You mean goats?
They're not goats. It's just my texture pack.
Oh.
Mm-hmm.
But there should be some goats around there.
There's food back
Not high enough.
the mountain.
Ugh, we're gonna have to sleep.
Oh yeah, I have wool.
I have 1 wool.
I have like 23 and like 32.
The one thing I don't have is I'm gonna try not to build a giant ugly thing.
Good. Wait,
Where are you people?
Where are you, person?
Hi. I'm over this side.
Where? Oh, how'd you
Swifty says, try not to build a big ugly thing, proceeds to use wood on a stone mountain.
Hey, I don't have any stone.
Okay,
You
wait.
not go mining.
Okay.
Mango, come.
I'm on the quest for goats.
Then you're not gonna find any up here.
Wait,
They are.
do they exist?
Yes, they exist. You're not gonna find them up here though.
How about all the way up here?
T-Miner, where are you? Why'd you go back down?
Because I need
Because
food
the
for you.
furnace is down there.
I don't need food.
You did.
Yeah, and I sorted myself out.
Okay.
Place the damn beds.
I don't have wood.
Oh, this is a nice little area.
Here.
Too late mob spawning, bro.
I see you guys all the way down there. Hold on,
Give me wood, Swifty.
I don't
Trees
have.
are-
I actually don't have any wood.
Oh my god, because you used all of it.
I used all of it on that 5-block tall pillar. Give me goats. Oh my gosh.
What?
Are those some goats? No, it's just snow. Okay, I think we should move all the way up to the very top of the hill. Because
Let me sleep.
it's kinda
I
fun.
need wood.
Okay, then mine tree.
I am.
What is Mango talking about?
I'm not talking about anything.
I really am tempted to jump. That'd just be way too fun.
Mango, where are you going?
Back up the mountain.
Mango, did you take the furnaces away? No.
I have my own furnaces.
Meet you guys at the top of the
Are people ready to sweep yet?
Yeah, come all the way up.
Sleep.
Sleep. Swifty, sleep.
I don't have a bed!
Then how about you come down? I just noticed there's a little thing that appears on your hotbar that says like how many out of how many players are sleeping.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Hi, I'm down.
Oh my god, that's so cool.
Are you butterfly clicking?
He's gonna try to get up.
I'm 1.16.
Why can't it just normal play?
It's not 1.16.
1.17.
1.17, that's worse.
Yeah, that is probably worse. Ow!
Your fault.
I'm on 3 hearts.
Yeah, do you want to make it 0?
I'd rather not, to be honest.
Then
Ow!
piss off.
I'm actually on 1.5 hearts. Help, help, help!
There's a creeper behind you, just FYI.
Thanks. See, Miner, were you
Sleep
the one
lot.
that shot me? Were you the one that shot me? Bed, please. Crafting table.
Place the bed, right click it.
Thanks, I don't have any wood.
Oh my, and you haven't done anything about that yet.
Hold on. I will go. Quest. Hey, see, Miner. Freaking. Okay. I'm on half a heart. I am mining a tree. Yes, I know I didn't mine the entire tree, but just no. Wait, how many diamonds did each of you guys get?
I got 8. Quick math 14. Because he's gonna kill us to get the diamond.
No, I was just asking. Sweet.
Who got out of bed?
I just kept getting out and yeah. Alright.
Okay. Does anybody
Finally.
have food?
No.
Yes.
I'm gonna go do stuff about that.
Yeah.
Thank you. I would do stuff about that, even though I'm on half a heart.
Oh, that's a witch.
What? A witch?
Yes, a witch.
I found dark oak.
Oh,
Great.
shit. I think this is
There's
cool
a lot of
little
mobs.
area. Oh yeah, I see your witch.
Oh god, I'm not gonna be able to sprint soon. Fudge. Oh, goats!
Where? Where a goat?
In a little mountain valley. There's 2 goats.
I want to see goats.
Hi, goats.
I want a pet goat.
Hello.
Where
Hi.
are they?
That was just a triple creeper attack.
I need food. I must go get food.
I have one pair of steak. One steak.
Wait, where are the
If
goats?
you need one steak. Goat.
Go down the mat. Goat,
It's
continue
kind of
in
funny
the
how
direct-
Hello, goat.
So,
It actually responded to me. Hello, goat.
Wait.
It raises its head every time I say it. Hey.
I call coincidence.
Hello, goat. Ah, dang it.
It doesn't have like voice chat, Swifty. Stop talking to it.
I need to make a house soon. I have too much stuff in my inventory.
Oh my god, it's a goat. Wait, don't they ram you?
Would you
Some
like
do.
some steak?
Screaming goats do.
Screaming goat.
Should I just should I punch it?
Yes. Wait, no, not yet. I want to
Just
see.
for the science experiment? I did.
Yes. Oh, there's another one.
It actually didn't do anything.
Oh my god.
Wait.
Oh wait, no. I think it wants to ram me. Scream me. Goat scream. Hey, mate.
Yeah, he's coming after me.
Okay, so
It's just a cow.
I don't think he knows how to kill something.
Dude, there's spruce over
I
there.
want to hit this one. Oh my god, this one flies.
Yeah. Well, they jump, not fly.
Oh my god, this thing can jump.
Yeah, I don't think they coded the actually stab you bit yet.
They just ram forward.
Oh, I forget.
They might not.
I have 6 golden carrots. Anybody for
Hi,
some
Cow.
golden carrots? Meet me at the top of the hill.
Can you ride a goat? No.
Awesome.
Ooh, there's ocean ruins on land.
What? Oh.
Just like 3 ocean ruins chilling on land.
Where did you go, Mangro?
I'm just kind of exploring for this biome.
Oh, I see them.
I mean, I kind of like this area because it has the giant cliff face on one side. It has the valley.
Then you build there. I don't care.
I kind of want to build where everyone else is building, to be honest.
Okay. Ooh. Big hole in the ground.
So if you pick a spot, preferably have there be mountains.
Well, no.
Okay.
It's good.
But preferably have there be mountains.
You don't have to build next to me.
He wants a mountain base.
I
He wants a mountain base.
Yeah, I do. I do want a mountain base.
Oh crap! I need to bridge the ravine.
I mean, that's not terribly hard.
It's incredibly hard. I needed to get blocks out of my inventory.
Oh, God. Not the blocks out of the inventory.
Actually, I'm just gonna break these. It's easier and I won't get stabbed.
I don't know why, but this doesn't feel as exciting as
I feel
What?
very excited.
the beginning. Much more exciting. Oh, I found a pointy thing.
I found a cliff I could jump off of.
I found a pointed dripstone.
Nice, grab it.
I did. Congratulations.
Better hope you didn't break your bed.
I didn't. I know where I died, though.
Oh my god, I found my goats!
Nice.
It's like 4 of them.
Goats seem to be kind of useless right now. They don't drop food.
They don't have a use.
They jump.
They don't have a
Hi.
use to begin with, dude.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure they knocked people off mountains at one point.
That's, yeah, but like, it's not a use.
Kind of is.
It's not.
That's a pretty good use, to be honest. Okay, I have my stuff back.
A goat, not for
It's so
us.
Swifty isn't a goat.
Imagine you could make a goat launcher.
Oh, that'd be funny. And
Figure out-
release the goat. It goes and shoves a pig off my.
No, you just like have a bunch of goats and you stand on it and they're like all locked in a box and then they all just shoot tusks at the same time.
They all
and
ran
then,
you.
yeah, and then it just launches you ages.
Like the Ravager thing.
Yeah, sort of. Less effective though. That thing's insane.
Yeah, I found
Whoever
an
came up
emerald.
with that got big brain.
Yeah. Then again, like, the way to duplicate items also is, like, big brain.
Yeah, who's like, you know, I'm gonna put a slime block
You've,
attached to
said
a
this
rail?
exact same sentence to me, like, 17 times now.
Well. Shut up.
Oh, found a beach.
Oh crap!
But
Oh my god, I just freaking crap
Dumpster.
myself. I'm just mining some iron next to this dark cave, and I'm like, this kind of sus. And then, I like
oh god,
mine
no.
myself in. I just mine myself in like perfectly, and then I turn around. And there's just a creeper there.
Yep. Happened to me. Before. And can we just focus on the thing that C-Miner's just shouted? That's kind of funny. C-Miner, how did you die?
Mountains.
Oh my god. Yeah, I kind of did that too, but then I knew where my stuff was. Mango.
And then now I'm back at spawn.
Oh god, you broke your bed. Mango, any chance
He's
I
muted.
could meet up with you? Because where are
He's
you?
muted.
I don't care.
Wait, with Swifty, do you want to do a combined base?
I know. What do you mean?
Do you want to like do a base together?
Okay.
Really, yes.
Maybe. Depends what your base plans are.
I don't have any. That's the point.
Are you being lazy? Sounds like me.
Yay.
Okay, I'm back.
Okay, welcome back.
What the heck is
I was
that?
like, this ravine cow. Oh my god.
Ravine
God.
cow!
Everybody bow
best
to the
friend.
cow.
Okay,
He's my best friend.
I didn't miss that. I'm pretty proud of that.
Swifty, I am returning to you.
So my plan was to make a giant lush cave. Okay. Lush cave.
Oh, I found a village.
Oh,
sick.
sick.
Yeah, pog champ. It's a spruce village. My inventory is too full for all this stuff.
Okay, anyhow. Where
I'm gonna yoink this purple bed.
Where are you guys?
I'm at the spruce forest.
Thanks.
That's where the village is.
Where's that?
Didn't you find it?
I'm gonna go to the nearest spruce
Ooh, there's a
forest.
swamp too. So.
How far do you think it is away?
Oh my god, that is crazy.
How far is it away?
These pumpkin stems in my. It's not very. These pumpkin stems in my pack look funky.
I'm actually gonna put on that pack in a minute. Alright, so I found. Is it near the mountains?
Yeah, I just walked a bit.
Okay, so this is a
I think I swam as well. We're gonna have to sleep soon. I'm gonna mark down the coordinates for this place.
Okay. Is it near that dark oak forest?
I can't find any villagers. No, I didn't even see the dark oak forest. I don't know what you mean.
Great, so I think we have the line.
Ooh, dude, just fresh set of iron armor and well, a little bit of iron armor.
Anyway,
I
that's
got
gonna
some
do it
bread
for
too.
this first episode of Honk Season 2. Next episode, we will be... What should we be? What should we be doing in the next episode?
Building a base.
Building our starter base. We'll have the area all mapped out, and it'll probably be when Mangro decides because he doesn't. Anywho.
What?
I don't know. I'm just kind of anyway, that's gonna do it for this episode, guys. Thank you guys all so much for watching. Good.